I'm here today to share a case study of one of our customers who's actually deployed our digital visualization and tracking software.
Andy Hale's the business development manager for Mowden Controls. Part of what we do electronics manufacture and PCB manufacture, and therefore obviously productivity is a key part of what we do. So we do a lot of automated PCB work, but also a lot of what in the industry is sort of through hole, which is manual work and requires obviously a good level of efficiency. So in 2013 it was kind of recognised that it was worth bringing in a system. Initially it was like clocking in cards, and then went into more and more areas of productivity basically that have just had a pretty big benefit to the business.
Been with us since 2013, so has been a real development customer, and it's great to be able to present their case study here today.